If your Instagram Live option is not showing, don't worry. This is a common issue many users face. There are several simple ways to fix it. First, open your Instagram app. Tap the Create or Plus button. Check if the Live option appears. If not, try swiping through the modes. Sometimes it may be hidden or unavailable. Next, check your internet connection. A weak connection can affect app features. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then, reopen the app. If the problem continues, log out of your account. Then log back in again. This can refresh your account settings. Now check the Live option again. If it still doesn't appear, go to Phone Settings. Open the App section. Find Instagram in the list. Tap on it to open App Settings. Now tap on Force Stop. This will completely close the app. Open Instagram again. Check if the Live feature is back. If not, your app may be outdated. Go to your App Store. Search for Instagram. If an update is available, install it. Updates often fix missing features. After updating, open the app again. Check the Live option. If the issue remains, clear the app cache. This removes temporary data causing problems. Open Settings and clear cache. Now, reopen Instagram. Check the Live option once more. In most cases, it should appear now. If you see the Live button, tap on it. Set up your live stream. Now you can go live successfully. These steps usually fix the issue quickly. And that's how you fix Instagram Live not showing.